Hello guys, welcome to lesson number 14 of Learn Punjabi through English lesson series by ifectioner.com. In this lesson, we will learn what do we call different spices in Punjabi. Let's start our lesson. Spices are called masale. 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 In Punjabi, spices, masale. Red chili, lal mirch. Lal mirch. Lal mirch. Red chili, lal mirch. Turmeric, haldi. 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 Turmeric, haldi. Coriander, सूखा धनिया. सूखा means dry. सूखा धनिया. सूखा धनिया. सूखा धनिया. Coriander, सूखा धनिया. Poppy seed, खश खाश. खश खाश. खशखाश. Poppy seed, खशखाश. Black pepper, काली मिर्च. काली मिर्च. काली मिर्च. Black pepper, काली मिर्च. Cinnamon, दार चीनी. दार चीनी. दार चीनी. Cinnamon, दार चीनी. Bay leaf, तेज पत्ता. तेज, it's T-A-I-Z. You can pronounce it like this. तेज पत्ता. Bay leaf, तेज पत्ता. Cumin, जीरा. 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 Cumin, जीरा. Clove, long. 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 Clove, long. Cardamom, वड्डी इलायची. वड्डी इलायची. वड्डी इलायची. Cardamom, वड्डी इलायची. Tamarind, इमली. 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 Tamarind, इमली. Saffron, ज़ाफ़रान. 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 Saffron, ज़ाफ़रान. Gram flour, बेसन. 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 Gram flour, बेसन. Salt, नमक. 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 Salt, नमक. Sugar, चीनी. 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 Sugar, चीनी. Guys and girls, now I will repeat this lesson only in Punjabi. Masale, lal mirch. Haldi, सूखा धनिया. खश खाश काली मिर्च दार चीनी तेज पत्ता जीरा लौंग वड्डी इलायची इमली ज़ाफ़रान बेसन नमक चीनी. Guys and girls, now this is the time for an exercise. Now I will speak in English and I would expect you to speak it in Punjabi. Spices. Yes, masale. Red chili. Lal mirach. Good. Turmeric. Haldi. Coriander. Nice. Sukha धनिया. Poppy seed. Yes. Khash khash. Khash khash. Black pepper. Very good. Kali mirch. Cinnamon. Yes. Darchini. Cinnamon is darchini. Bay leaf. Tez patta. Good. Cumin. Very good. Zira. Clove. Yes. It's not lang, it's long. You can say it like this. Long. Cardamom. Vaddi elaichi. Tamarind. Yes, imli. Saffron. Very good. Saffron. Gram flour. Besan. Salt. Yeah, namak. Sugar. Nice. Chini. So guys and girls, thank you very much for joining me for lesson number 14 of Learn Punjabi through English by ifactner.com. If you would like to do some more exercises, then please visit us on ifactner.com. Please give a thumbs up to this lesson and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next lesson. Until then, take care. Bye.